Welcome, Ms. Rakhi. Thank you for joining us today. Firstly, congratulations on your winning. I would like to ask you, what kind of leadership approach do you follow?
Okay, the leadership approach that I follow depends on a lot of things. Only one leadership approach doesn't help. At times you have to be a situational leader, at times you have to be a conservative one, at times you have to do more of a telling kind of a leadership style. So it depends really on the situation and the type of people that you're coaching or you're leading. So depends on the situation, frankly, and depending on the situation, it makes more sense to lead that way, because if you go only with one set of style, it is very difficult to get the desired output. So you have to really understand the kind of people that you're working with, understand their talents, understand their skill sets, bring them on the fore. So try to get them do their work rather than you telling them to do it. So I think it really depends on the situation. I am more of a situational leader.
Lovely. So as a leader, what advice would you give to the freshers and the upcoming talent in the same field?
Okay, as freshers, I would say that be open to whatever job that you're getting, because it's very important that you understand the roles and responsibilities, or you first soak the roles and responsibilities like a sponge. It's very necessary to gain experience and then probably go and decide what you want to do. So for freshers, it would be only one thing, that learn more all the more you can. Yeah.
Right. In this era of digitization, how do you think leaders can maintain that kind of human centricity at organizations along with using these innovative technologies?
So digitization has always been the key to move ahead in life, or whether it's personal, it's professional. But the human approach will never go away. Okay, that is very, very key. So if I want to talk about an employee, or if I want to address an employee grievance, I can understand his grievance, I can record his grievance, or I can understand from a AI call center. But if I want to give them a human approach or a human touch, and if I want the employee to believe that there's an HR for you, there's a person who's going to listen to you, it's very, very important that human touch is required. So digitalization is there, but then human touch is important, and it will always remain in the future as well.
Right. Thank you so much for joining us, and congratulations once again.
Thank you.